My name is Lauren Spritch. I work for Zufall Health Center and New Jersey SNAP-Ed. And today we're going to make mango salsa. Mango salsa is delicious. It's a great one. It's a great food for summertime. It's a crowd pleaser. If you don't have mangoes, you can choose peaches, which is a great food to use in New Jersey in a few months when it will be in season. So let's get started. Hopefully you can all see my plate here. So we have, let me just get this set up here. So hopefully you can all see my bowl. So I have pre-chopped the mangoes. We have 2 mangoes here. Add them into our bowl. Okay, add them into our bowl. And the mangoes, you want them to be diced. They should be a little bit chunky because we are making a salsa. So then we have 1 pepper, which we can add now. I chose an orange pepper. And again, we're also going to dice this. And the reason why I chose an orange is because it's a little bit sweeter. You could choose orange, you could choose yellow, you could choose green, whatever you like, but I chose orange for that reason. All of this has been washed and ready to go. We have cucumber. So it says 1 small cucumber. Now we have 1/4 cup of cilantro. Some green onions. You could use chives, scallions, whatever you'd like. 2 green onions. And last but not least, jalapeno. If you are not a fan of jalapeno, you can leave it out. If you like a little bit of spice, I took the seeds out because I like spice, but not, I don't know if I want that much spice. And then 1 large jalapeno. The juice of 2 limes. My limes weren't as ripe as I would have liked them to be, so I did put them in the microwave. For a few minutes. And last but not least, 1/2 teaspoon salt.